The following video is made for educational purposes only. The author does not encourage or endorse replicating the actions shown.
Okay, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you a new rug pull method. Now, this method has only been around for 2 weeks. So if I was you, I would probably act quick on it because I don't know how long it's going to last. But yeah, pretty much I'm going to be showing you how you can rug pull meme coins and get away with literally hundreds of dollars each time, or maybe like 50 bucks, 100 bucks, sometimes even $1,000, you know, it's definitely possible. But so yeah, here's how to do it. And when you're on the site, it should look like this. You want to click create token. Now, whenever you're creating a token on pump.fun, you know, literally hundreds of coins are getting created every single day. Too much coins are getting created. No one's going to see this. Pretty much what this website does is, you see on pump.fun when all these coins are getting released, you know, people, you know, small investors like 4K, you know, 17K, all these market caps are so small. Plus you have to get like 200 buyers just to even get King of the Hill. And then when you got King of the Hill, that's when it goes over to Dextriner and you can actually start making big fucking money, like 10K, 1K, you know, per token. Why did I tell you to use this website? Because if you go over to your create your token, when you create and launch your token on this website, it goes straight onto Dextriner. So it doesn't have to do all this bunding curve shit, King of the Hill, pretty much bypasses all of this and it goes straight onto Dextriner. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how it works and how you can do it for yourself and make a few bucks. Okay, so first you want to go over to Dextriner. Now, you want to see what's trending. You know, you want to see what's a good narrative, what you can copy, where you can design yourself. So for me, I'm just lazy. I just copy coins and post them and it goes down to Dex. And then I usually get, you know, a lot of buyers, a lot of snipers. And then I just sell after like, you know, 10, 20 minutes and I just gain like a couple $100 profit. So that's what we're going to be doing here. So yeah, let me find a good narrative and I'll get back. Okay, so I found some coin. It's called task.fun. I don't know, it's just some random AI with free, some random shit. Okay, so I've copied the name, the symbol. Now we just need a description and to set the supply. So when you set the supply, you want to set it to 1 billion. So that's going to be 9 digits, obviously on top of the 1. So you want to put a 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go, 1 billion. Okay, so for the description, I'm just going to go onto their Twitter. Okay, so I actually went onto their website, you know, they're just doing all this. It's a fake website just so they can do a successful rug pull. So we're going to copy and paste this. We're going to put it into the description and now here comes the fun part. So create an info. We're going to select this. You don't have to select this. It's optional, but if you want to wear successful con launch, and you can select this. So we're the official client, you know, we look more legit so people should buy. And then for the socials and tags, we're going to add all their socials, obviously, once again, just to make it look more legit so we get more buyers. But yeah, so you want to select revoke freeze, and then you want to select revoke mint and revoke update so they can't take their money on, so you can actually make and rug pull the liquidity. That pretty much what this means. Just a quick explanation for y'all to understand. You need to select all these free so you can actually rug pull a client. Now what this does is when you create the liquidity, this basically gives you parental access over the liquidity, so you're pretty much in control of what happens. But yeah, so now you want to click launch. Make sure you have your wallet picked. Then we just connect my wallet. There we go. Now you want to click launch token. But first, let me just see how much money we have in our wallet. Okay, so we have 66 bucks. I'm just going to top it up. Okay, so I topped the wallet up 5 SOL. Now you do not need 5 SOL. You literally can have 0.5 and you can do it. But just make sure you have a bit more afterwards, because with this 0.5 we're making the liquidity. Like up here where put the supply is 1 billion, we own 1 billion% of the supply. Well, 0.5 SOL. Okay, so when you control wallet, click launch token. Okay, so it's going to bring up a menu. Proceed, confirm. Now the reason it says all this is because the API is not verified yet, but I can promise you guys it's safe. And if you don't trust it, then, you know, just simply don't use it. It's completely up to you. But you have to confirm. Now you just gotta wait till your kind gets created. Okay, there we go. Our kind has done some transaction link. You can copy and paste this. It's completely up to you. It's gonna load again to give you your kind address. Let me just close all these browsers down. Okay, there we go. Our token has been successfully created. Now what you're gonna do is open up your Phantom wallet. Let's scroll down here and you're gonna see your kind task fund right here, 1 billion% supply. Okay, so now you want to click onto your coin, click these 3 dots, and then just move on Solana. And you want to copy the token address right here. So select the token address, and then do I go over to, okay, and then you want to click over to liquidity pool. It's an open up radio. From here, you're going to want to create your coins liquidity pool. Pretty much what this is you just initializing your coin so it can be on the market, but in the way where you own the coin's full percentage. So, you know, okay, so when you're on here, you want to go to liquidity, click create, click standard AMM, click continue. Then you might go over to Radium, select Sol, click onto this fucking gray box, click here, come back onto here, copy your token address, and then just put it in here. It should come up here. Okay, so now you want to put your symbol in the name. So I'm just gonna copy when I had, so task, and then task cut fun, remove the dot, because I removed it in my name. But yeah, you would like add user token, set the supply. Okay, as you see, we own 1 billion% of the supply now. And what you're gonna do is select 900 million right here, and then you might come down to Sol right here. We have 4 Sol here, so I'm just going to do 4 Sol, but you don't have to do this. You can do 1 Sol, 2 Sol. You don't have to have much money for this, as long as you have the initial amount, 0.5 to create the client, or leads to option also 0.3, whatever. And then we'll come over to tier fee. Just put this to 2%. Okay, so now you want to click initialize liquidity pool. Click that. Menus will pop up. For Sol into 6K unknown tokens. Okay, nice. And click confirm. Pool created. There we go. And now this information is important. Just click got it. Okay, nice. So select your token address again, then go onto the explainer and just click onto a client, then go into the top and then just copy and paste your token address for theirs. So it instantly loads into the URL and it should come up. Okay, so if it says this when you load it, just literally wait 2 minutes and it should appear. Okay, there we go, it's appeared. Okay, nice. So we created a claim. Now you want to wait for, let's see here. Okay, so the coin's 1 minute old right now. Only Cypress are bought. You see, we created this financially 1 fucking minute ago. We got instantly 20 fucking buys. All these are Cypress, so you gotta wait some time. A lot of people are investing. This coin is literally 1 minute old. See, we've got a lot of buyers right here. If you want to set up a post coin right now, literally the coin is literally 2 minutes old. You can rip it, and you can get away with literally all this money. So, what these people are investing, so 150, 150, you can get away with this. You can steal all of this. So, pretty much how you do that is you go over to the liquidity pool, go over to portfolio, go over to standard. Okay, so you want to keep refreshing on my portfolio here until your liquidity pool shows up. This usually takes about 10 minutes. Sometimes it takes piss, and it takes like 15, 20 minutes. Now you just want to wait until your pool is right here. As you can see, these snipers have bought here and then we sold here. Now guys, if you want to make a quick profit of all these snipers here, you see, we only bought here. We are the original buyer, but if you want to make a quick profit of all these, when you make your content and it looks fully legit, what you want to do is copy and paste the CA into the external, whatever, any platform, then instantly hold like 10 Sol or instantly hold like 5 Sol into it right here. And then it's gonna be like fucking year. And then when all these kids buy, you want to just dump on them before they take out instantly 500, 600 bucks, depending on how much people bought here, which is quite a lot. 150, 150, 150, 20, 1. It all adds up, you get me quite a lot. But yeah, for now, let me just delete all this shit. When the coin gets to about 5-10 minutes old, then you're gonna start seeing your withdrawal buyers because it takes some time to be listed on the main screen of the explainer. But yeah, let's just wait. I'll put on a time lapse until I think it's a good time to rope it. But yeah, guys, you can watch the buyers come in and, buyers and sales, whatever. So it does. Fuck me like and pay me. And when you fuck it, no one else is but the lazy hate me. Day and I was worth of scary. I was worth of scary Virgin Mary. I didn't tell her to bury. I was the lows from Yivito and Data Vegas to my exits up. I'd already carried. Thank you to 30 carry. So I think I'm going to rope it now. Okay, so they're good enough to refer. So when you go back onto Radium, your position is going to be here. Now what you want to do is you want to click and you want to pull this all the way to the right. Okay, there we go, 2,800 now. This coin did actually go pretty crazy. We're still getting buy and sales. It's going pretty good. Come over here, and now as this will receive 13 Sol. The reason this coin's doing so well, is getting a lot of buyers, is because obviously our narrative, it was very good. We did the description, we did the name, the title, we did all that shit on the Launch website. We did credit info, we have the soda tags. So yeah, this coin is starting to blow off. A lot of people are liking it. A lot of buyers, a lot of sales. Quite a lot here. It's doing pretty well. So guys, I was a fucking rope league, but I don't know if it's gonna go higher. Look, if I refresh this, look, now it's on 2,900. So I don't really want to rope play it, but I kind of do because I feel like it's one point to sell. That made you probably wondering what these big buyers are now, because people think it's actual coin, think it's personal coins. They're holding in like 1 Sol or 2 Sol, 5 Sol. They're holding in this much because they think I think the coin gonna go big. And obviously, if they get a 2 Sol snipe in it and it goes to like $10 million market cap, then they're gonna make like $1 million bucks, bro. So yeah, even your people like that. But yeah, I want to rope league, but I don't know. I'm scared, bro. I think I can go higher. I don't know. Yeah, some kids are gonna start to take out. Let's see how much I can take out. 3,100 now. I might take out. Yeah, the people starting to sell. Okay, fuck it. I'm taking out, bro. Fuck it. So if you want to take out, just do it. Blah blah. Click here. There you go. Confirm. Now the clear removed. There we go. Okay, so no, we hold nothing of the supply. Yeah, a lot of people starting to sell actually. Okay, yeah, it's good if you remove the fucking supply, bro. Fucking out people selling. But yeah. So we removed the supply, as you can see, removed. Now the coin, renders to exist. And we have gained all this profit. So pretty much anyone who invested here, we all tokens has now gone to our wallet. So as you can see, there we go, 250 bucks. This is a pretty good rug pull, because we're only on 300 members of the coin now. So if you want to remove that, then you can go to Sol Incinerator and get a couple bucks off that. But yeah, so 50 Sol profit. This is a pretty good kind of used to within the coin app integration. So yeah, this is a decent rug pull. If you waited this, guys, go onto the, I just closed it out.